Hello, my name is Abhay Kulkarni, and today's our topic of discussion is what is Angular introduction. So today's date is 25th of August. So let's start the video. First, we will see what is Angular. So Angular is the design application design framework, and it is development platform for creating the efficient and sophisticated single page apps. So what is single page apps? Single page apps means uh, first see in any HTML file we have include the tags of HTML and slash colon HTML, that means starting tags and ending tags. In that tags all we write the code of a CSS HTML and all the stuff we needed. So that is why it is called as a single page tag, because it breaks the codes into multiple components. So we have to if there is a change in any parts of the code, we have to edit that code, that component only. So Angular is a development platform built on the TypeScript as a platform Angular. So component based, it is a component based framework for building the scalable web applications. So a collection of well integrated libraries that covers frame management, client server, and the communication mode. So a suite of developer tools to help you develop, build, test, and update your code. So in the day-to-day life, if we open any web page, inside that web page we see the multiple components, the moving objects, the tabs, and the forms we submit. And we for example we submit the resume. All these are called as a schema of HTML. So it is made up of HTML. For styling that, we have to use the CSS, that is cascading style sheets. The HTML is hypertext markup language, and that HTML and CSS files are included inside all the websites, and that website are operated, that is handled by using the TypeScript. So consider a human body. That human body, the bones are the HTMLs, and the bones are the HTMLs. The clothes are the CSS, and the actions are the behaviors are the of TypeScript. That is, we can take the example of JavaScript. So the Angular application, there are two essentials. First is the component. So we'll see what is component. Component is a group of collection of the different files, such as HTML files, that is hypertext markup language file, index, for example index.html. The next we will see the component, next element inside the component is CSS file. For example introduction.css. For example we have to include the introduction page of the website, that is introduction.css cascade style sheets. And the third is TypeScript. So the TypeScript, we can take the example of JavaScript. So the JavaScript which does the behavior and decides the behavior, the moving parts, and the objectives of the website. So this group of HTML file, CSS file, and the TypeScript file, for example the JavaScript file, the combinedly is called as a component. So next we will see about the template. So what is template? So what is templates? So every component has an HTML template that declares how the components renders. That is, you define this template either line by line or file path. That is, it executes line by line. Inside the body, first is called as a header, and the next is called as a body. Inside the header tag, we can use the titles. Inside the body tags, we can use the website requirements such as tables, images, videos. You can add that into such as anchor syntax. So the Angular extends the HTML with the additional syntax components. The Angular automatically updates the rendered DOM when your components changes. So the Angular declaration templates let you essentially separate you from the application logic from its presentation template. So that are based on the standard HTML for ease in building, maintenance, and the updation. So what is building, maintenance, and updation? Inside the Angular, the HTML files, CSS files, and the TypeScript files that are in the different files, we can say. So if we have to make the HTML changes, we have to make the changes only in the HTML. Open the HTML file and make changes in the HTML. We have to change the styles of the website. We have to open the .css file inside the components, and we have to make the changes from the .css files only. So next we are going to discuss about the Angular enhances how the Angular enhances the HTML. So the Angular has set of directives, so that's why it displays the dynamic content at the HTML page. Next is Angular provides the data building and the dependency injection that reduces the line of codes. Third one is Angular extends the HTML attributes with directives and bind data to HTML with expressions. The next one is Angular follows the MVC architecture. So that is it for today about the Angular. Thank you.